Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Good day to each and everyone, especially to you, sir. So, first of all, I will introduce myself. I am Nuraima K. Ibrahim, the PIP reporter of Group 3. So, our topic for today is all about electronic waste or e-waste. So, in this lesson, we will talk about why is e-waste is a problem and what happened to e-waste. So let's start about electronic waste. So is a term for electronic products that have become unwanted, non-working, or obsolete and have essentially reached the end of their useful life. Because technology advances at a such high rate, many electronic become trash after a few short years of use. So from the words unwanted or non-working. So ito yung mga bagay na hindi na natin gusto or ginagamit, like old cell phones, laptop, or TV. Syempre, may mga new model na ngayon ng mga cellphone like iPhone. May new model na iPhone 15. So, yung mga old na cellphone o gamit natin is tinatago na lamang or tinatapon na lamang. So, here's the example of e-waste. So, number 1 is VCR or video cassette recorder. The last VCR to be made was in 2016 by Funai Electric Company, and they made a new one that is DVD or digital video disc. We use, syempre, ito yung gamit, DVD is nagamit din natin yan at naabutan natin. Yung VCR kasi hindi na natin yan naabutan mga bagets pa tayo doon or hindi pa tayo pinanganak. So, ngayon is may bago na sila na model ng DVD, and that is Blu-ray, kung saan dumadownload na lang tayo na movie or songs or video that we like or yung mga gusto lamang natin. So, why is e-waste a problem? While the consumption of TVs, cell phones, and computer equipments have continued to increase, the lifespan had continued to decrease. So, kung patuloy tayo na gagamit ng mga TV, cell phones, or computer is dadamit talaga yung e-waste, dahil yung mga old models, gaya ng sinabi ko, mga old models na mga computers is tinatapon na lamang ngayon, and TV, cell phone. So what happens to e-waste? Say you go through the proper protocol and take your electronic to a donation center, recycle, or electronic take-back program. Lacks a waste regulation in the US and abroad, makes tough to know exactly where discarded electronics ends up. So, meron tayong mga electronics donation sa ibang bansa, is meron silang mga electronics donation kung saan dinodonate yung mga bagay na hindi na nila ginagamit, or recycle center kung saan gina-recycle naman sila ulit para gawing bago yung mga gamit na hindi na natin nagagamit, like laptops, cords, or plugs. And that's all, and wassalam.